Hello beautiful people, you're highly welcome back on my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys on how you can attach your eyelet on your fabric or your ready-made dress or a blouse, so or your corset blouse. So this tutorial is for you without an eyelet plier or eyelet machine. So that's tutorial for today, guys. So guys, if this is your first time of coming into my channel, you are highly welcome. Okay, so feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So this is a dress, or sorry, a top, a blouse I already made. So I'll be showing you guys on how I attach my eyelets without eyelet plier. Okay, so we can also show you guys all how to attach it with eyelet plier. So you can see what I have here. I have different eyelets. So this is the smaller one you can use. So now this is my eyelet plier. So when I bought this eyelet, I realized that it can only install the small eyelet, those that comes without the ring. So this other one now I picked is the medium size. So this one comes with ring, the eyelet and a ring. So but this particular one, there's no ring on it, so you can actually use this eyelet plier to install the smaller one. But for this my blouse, I don't want the smaller eyelet, so I'm going to keep this aside. So I'll be working on with the medium eyelet, the one that comes with the ring. So you first of all locate where you want to add your eyelet. You're going to fold just like you see me doing in the video. After folding, you're going to give it a little cut, okay, not so big so that the hole will not be too big, but not too small that the eyelet cannot pass through. So you can see I turn it to the inner part. I'm trying to also notch that area, a little cut, so that your eyelet can pass through. So you're going to pick your eyelet now and pass it through from the right side of the fabric. You're going to pass it to come out on the wrong side, on the inner side. So I have this my plier, this my small plier. So these are my tools. It doesn't necessarily mean you will have this plier. In case you don't have, just get something that will enable you to push the fabric. So after that, you're going to put in your ring on the wrong side. As you can see me do, this is the inner side or the wrong side of the fabric. So I'm going to place it on a very hard surface. So I use these are my tools. I used to build shoes, so these are my equipment for building shoes. So I find it helpful. So you can use it, place it on a hard surface. So you're going to need something like a plier or a scissors that you can use to bend all the ring. After attaching the ring, so the remaining of the eyelets, okay, you're going to cut it in bits. I don't know how to explain it better. So I'm going to be cutting it in bits and press it down, like press it down. Remember, this is the manual one. So you can see I've already pressed everything down. So I'm going to use a hard object like a hammer, or you can use it to, you can see it's very smooth. So I use it to nail it or hit it to be smooth. All right, so now the next thing, I'll go ahead and pick the other hole. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. So you can see I'm trying to create another hole. So just open it a little cut, not too big, so that the eyelet will not pass through, okay, like come out from the other side. Just a little cut to enable the eyelet to pass through it, so that the other end of the eyelet will come to the other side, but not so big that it can penetrate or pass or come out when stretched, or when you're trying to snatch it on the person, okay, when you're trying to tie it. So after that, now I'm going to place it. You see, I'm trying to show you guys that you can still do it on a hard surface. That is, it's not necessary you have to use what I use, the whiteboard. I've forgotten the name. So you can still put it on your table on a hard surface. Then you can use your scissors if you don't have this plier. Okay. So I prefer to use this plier. It helps me to achieve a fast result. So that's what I see me do. I'm trying to, after adding your ring, okay, to the wrong side, you are going to press down. You cut it bit by bit. So you can see I'm trying to cut the eyelet bit by bit to press down to hold the ring. Okay, to hold the ring. So after cutting everything, you're going to nail it to be smooth. All right, so I'm going to nail it. Remember, this is the manual way. You can achieve it without the machine. If it's the machine, that one is super fast and easy. You just press it. The machine will do the cutting and the pressing for you. So you can see, you can still use your scissors if you don't have the, I have this hammer. It's not hammer, I don't know, I've forgotten the name. So but that's not hammer. Okay, this is what the shoemakers use to nail or to, hit their shoes to gum. I used to build Ankara shoes, slippers. So these are my tools. So now I find them very helpful. So you can see how far I've gone. So this is the last one for this side, after which I'll go ahead and repeat the whole process on the other side. Okay, remember we are adding the eyelets on both sides of the blouse. Okay, so this is the last one for this side. So this is what I'm trying to do. You are going to determine your interval. So I have 1 inch interval. Okay, so after that, now you can see I'm trying to press or cut the eyelets in bits and press them down. So I hold and I cut it, then I press it down. You can still use your scissors to achieve this. Okay, so after that you're going to nail it to be smooth, so there won't be any rough edge. You can see when I touch it, it feels so smooth. Okay, so now guys, this is what I have. I'm done. So this is the outcome. So this is how you can attach your eyelet, your medium sized eyelet without the eyelet plier or the machine. Okay, so I have this eyelet plier. So now I'm going to show you how you can as well attach your eyelets with your eyelet plier. So but this plier mainly is for small eyelets, those smaller ones. So in case you want to use a smaller eyelet, so you can see all you need to do is make sure the area you are going to attach it is a little bit hard. So you're going to create a hole. So after creating a hole, a small hole, remember this one is very small. So you can see I've created a smaller hole. I'll just pass my eyelet through. From the right side, you pass it through to the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, so after that, now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to open the eyelet plier. Want to remove the cover, then make sure this side, you can see where I'm touching, is facing down. Then you place your eyelet, you place it in and press. So after that, you can see it's pressed down. So this is it. This is the right side and this is the wrong side, guys. So you can see this one is super fast. So the manual one is just the pressing. You have to use your hand, okay, or the scissors to press them down. But this smaller one with the plier will do the work for you very fast. All you need to do is to make a hole, put in your plier, then press down. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Bye.